Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're checking out something wild. Imagine if your comfy Crocs turned into a video game controller. Well, now they kinda have. Let's take a look at the Xbox Classic Clog from Crocs. Cut to product shots, B-roll. This is the Xbox Classic Clog, a mashup between a clog and a controller. It's part of a limited edition collab that mixes comfort with a gamer twist. Features breakdown. First thing you notice, fixed, dimensional joysticks and buttons molded right into the top. It literally looks like an Xbox controller on your shoes. There's an Xbox branded rivet for authenticity. Even with the controller details, these clogs stay super lightweight. They're water-friendly, buoyant, and weigh only ounces. They're easy to clean, quick to dry, and breathable, just like classic Crocs. Pivoting heel straps help you get a more secure fit when you need it. The back strap supports Jibbitz charms for customization, so you can add extra gaming flair. Why it matters, who it's for. If you're a gamer who loves Crocs, this is a playful, nostalgic flex. It's a fun conversation starter, and still practical enough for everyday comfort. Even if you're not deep into gaming, the comfort alone makes them worth checking out. At retail, these go for $80 on the Crocs website. This collab is silly in the best way, unique, comfy, and fun to wear. Perfect for chilling gaming nights, or just showing off something different. Call to action. Wrap up. If you want my honest take, the Xbox Classic Clog is more than just a novelty. It's comfortable, practical, and packed with gaming personality. If you pick up a pair, let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun tech and gear videos. Catch you in the next one.